for you guys.
Ano ba yun?
May dumadaan na ano?
Alala ko tuloy nung papunta tayo.
Lumabas siya si Punto. May viewer ako dito eh. Marunong daw siya magbasa ng Korean. Niloloko.
Totoo! Marunong ako!
Akin na. Binabasa niya to. Korean daw to. Oo nga no. Daiso, Japan to pero made in Korea. Binabasa niya, pakinggan niyo. Niloko ko nito eh. Marunong ka talaga magbasa?
Wash the brush and pop on a regular basis in order to use it longer. No damage user's skin. Easy to clean. Put the cleaner into a container and dip the brush.
You're freaking me out! Are you reading it talaga? Eh kasi... Sira ng batang to. Akala ko binabasa niya talaga. Yung pala may translation. May translation ng English dito. So, hello again guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna have my monthly favorite, which is the month of March. Kasi malapit ko nang nakalimutan. Natapos na pala yung March at April, ang bilis-bilis ng buwan. Anyway, so let's continue on. So today, I will have my March favorite for you guys. And yun. So let's get started. First off, in my favorite is this Maybelline New York Dream Satin Skin. We did a review on this, so I will link that in the description box. But it's really perfect for everyday use, guys. Pero, disclaimer lang sa produktong to, medyo ano siya, hindi siya intended for oily skin kasi so, hindi siya nagko-contribute sa oil, pero it's a good foundation, if you know what I mean. Hindi siya perfect for those who have oily skin, but syempre may remedyo naman tayo dyan like blotting sheets and all that, retouch and all that, pero hindi naman siya nag-contribute sa oil, pero maganda yung ano nito eh, maganda yung formulation niya. Parang original skin niya lang. So, I really love it. And this is $499. And luckily, ngayon daw may sale sa Maybelline. So, go ahead and check it out. Kasi $350 na lang yata ito ngayon. The next one is this L'Oreal Paris Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. Actually, matagal na tong produkto sa akin. With this weather, guys, perfect tong BB cream na to kasi absolutely it will control your oil kasi alam nyo na, ako medyo hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa foundation, so I'm more on BB creams and all that. Di ko alam kung bakit, but this one, I truly prefer this for this season na sobrang init kasi it will absolutely help you on your oil, controlling the oil, plus it gives you radiant skin. So, I super love this now. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit currently dahil mainit ngayon, sobrang oily. The Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Second bottle ko na to. The first one, naubos na siya. But this is the second bottle. Alam nyo na. Mattify my face kasi sobrang init. Lagi akong oily. Lagi akong ganon. Dami kong problema. So, eto, I've been loving this currently. Ngayon, for the month of March, I think for the month of April, gagamitin ko pa rin to eh. Pero, this is the Stay Matte Rimmel kasi ito talagang nako. Pag ginamit niyo to as a base, kung hindi man kayo magbi-BB cream foundation, it's a good base before application of a pressed powder, ganun. Kasi talagang it will help you clear out yung pressed powder at saka, well, basic tulong na ibibigay niya, it really controls the oil. So, been loving this for the month of March, I think for April hanggang magtag-ulan. So, the next one in my favorite is this Maybelline New York Makeup Remover Iron Lip. Ito siya. Actually, dapat supposedly, ito ang mauunang video before this March favorite. Kaya realize ko na super late na pala ako for March favorite. Kaya mauuna tong March favorite bago itong aking review nitong Maybelline Makeup Remover. So, I will have a review on this after this video. So, go ahead and wait for it. So, kasama siya sa favorite ko kasi it's very effective. And wait for my review on this really soon. And the next one in my makeup favorite is this CoverGirl CoverGirl Hot Passion Shade. Dahil tag-init, alam nyo na. Ewan ko kung bakit ganun ako na pag tag-init, feel ko yung dark shades. Yung mga ganito, mga dark. This one is a red shade. As you know me, I love red. Yan siya ang shade niya. It's parang raspberry red. Ang cute-cute niya. So, and also, nag-i-stay to sa lips. So, though may transfer siya, pero it's very, very minimal. So, nagda-dry siya sa lips. I forgot the prices of the products that I mentioned here, but I will leave that in the description box. In case makalimutan ko, I forgot the price of this, but again, I will put that in the description box for you guys. At saka kung saan ko siya binili, ilalagay ko rin sa description box. So, nakalimutan ko na i-mention yung mga prices, but bear with me, guys. Okay, so ito yung next sa favorite ko. Super love it. And then, also, lipstick. Hindi ko alam kung lipstick siya. But this is the Batty Jelly Lip Tint Pack. Ito. Okay. Alam niyo na ako, mahilig ako sa natural looking makeup. So, this is a lip tint that is a peel-off type. Okay. Isample ko sa inyo. So, ito, pag ginagawa niyo siya, just basically put this in your lips. Tapos, matutuyo to and you can peel it off and it will leave a natural looking lips. Para siyang very natural lang. Parang kinagat lang yung labi. Pangit! Parang naturally reddish yung lips nyo. Super ganda niya. Ito ginagamit ko on a daily basis pag umaalis ako like malling and I don't want to put any makeup on. So blush on lang ako in this lipstick. And this lip tint or this lip peel off ang ginagamit ko and I'm good to go. Sobrang ganda na to. Patayuin lang natin to and then I'll let you see in a while kung anong shade yung may iwan niya. It's very, very natural red. Parang kinagat mo lang yung labi mo, gano'n. Na hindi mo naman kailangan kagatin kasi meron ito. So, habang inaantay natin siyang matuyo, I would like to have a special mention etong roller ball eyeshadow. Ang hirap na hirap akong bigkasin niya, roller ball eyeshadow from Avon Simply Pretty collection. This is only 69 pesos, guys. Gusto ko tong color na to in, ano ba to? I actually did a video on this on my go-to ba? This is in color Cafe Shimmer. Alam mo ba't gusto ko to? Kasi this summer, alam niyo na, pag mainit, masarap yung medyo, pag summer, medyo glittery ka and all that. Parang may shimmer ka sa face. It's a good eyeshadow. Pag gusto nyo isang eyeshadow lang, it has a cool shimmer on it. Tamang-tamang shimmer lang. Plus, I use this as a highlighter too. Kasi maganda yung color niya. Ito yun. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Oh, very cool color or shade lang siya. It's a good for highlighting because it's a good eyeshadow this summer season and very affordable siya for 69 pesos only. And the last one in my makeup is this sea sponge from Features and Shapes. Tama ba? Features and Shades pala. This is originally Fanny Serrano, but ngayon ang pangalan nila is Features and Shapes. So this one is their sea sponge. Ito ginagamit ko for my foundation, BB cream. Kaya lang napansin ko sa kanya, it shrinked. This is a good affordable alternative for those kasi this only cost me 150 pesos and it blends really well. So nag-peel off na siya and it will leave you, kanina very dark siya, but pag pinil off nyo siya, it will leave you with this color. Very, very natural looking shade. Ay, nakalimutan ko bigkasin yung color. This is Berry Red. Celetec Dermoscience Brightening Facial Wash. Ito siya, guys. Nagkano ko ba ito binili? Again, nakalimutan ko, so I'll just put the price in the description box. Super love ko to currently kasi it really brightened the skin, guys. Kung iwawash nyo to sa face nyo, automatically, after washing, makikita nyo yung brightening effect niya. Ang ganda. Though it's not whitening, hindi siya pang ganon, pang paputi, but it's a brightening, it has a brightening effect on it. After nyo mag-wash, makikita nyo yung brightening effect niya. Ang ganda-ganda. So, at saka, it really takes off the, everything in my face. Hindi niya kayo tutulungan sa oil, pero tutulungan niya kayong magkaroon ng brighter skin, if you know what I mean. Feeling ko, tong produktong to, hindi ko pa nasali sa aking favorite. Pero lagi ko siyang ginagamit. This is a face brush from Marinod. Ito siya. sorry hindi kita nasasama sa favorites ko. Pero i-mention ko na nga siya ngayon kasi super favorite ko to, guys. Ngayon, ginagamit ko na lang siya sa gabi, especially when I have my makeup on in the morning or meron akong press powder sa mukha and all that, just to take off all the residues that was left in my skin because of the makeup and all the dirts outside our house. No, yung pollution, dirt, and all that. So, eto, maganda siyang pang-alis. Alternative siya for yung mga mamahaling equipment for cleansing or declogging the face. Yung mga ganon. This is a good alternative. And this is only 109 pesos. And ngayon, naka-sale siya for only 69 pesos. I'd just like to have a special shoutout on this one kasi super helpful siya, guys, in declogging your pores and taking all the residues that was left from the makeup that you used the whole day. So, special mention to this face brush. This will absolutely help you, guys. Mabibili nyo ang Merinod products, guys, sa Watsons and sa SM department store na merong Watson sa loob. Mabibili nyo ito. I would like to have a special mention in this bracelet. On this bracelet that I have right here. This is not to brag, guys, but this one is a Pandora bracelet. Ito siya. If some of you guys are interested to have a memory bracelet, this is a good one. This one is from Pandora. Actually, guys, yung bracelet mismo is from Pandora, but meron akong pendant dito that came from Pandora, like this passport and this one heart pendant right here. But other than that, some of them are customized, like this one. This is a gold, two-toned gold and white gold pendant that I bought from Omping na kasya dito. Actually, matagal na tong pendant na to, but this signifies my love for this little girl right here. Ayan. Sa kanya to originally, pero binili ko to intended for sa kanya. Kaya lang, I like to put it here kasi it reminds me of her. And then, of course, yung letter D na ito, ayan. Binili ko to sa Unisilver. So, it signifies the girl right here also. Daphne, for Daphne. And then, etong pendant na to, I customized it. It's a silver. Ito silver din to. This one is also silver that I bought from Ate Jen. I will link her Facebook account in the description box in case interested kayo. So, ito yung binili ko para sa kanya. This signifies our cats kasi I love our cats. So, yun. And the next one, of course, my cross sign. Silver cross with Jesus in it. And then the next one is my business. This is a cupcake pendant that I bought from Silverworks. Ito siya. And then the next one is a passport kasi we love to travel as well. So, ngayon lang hindi kami nakakapag-travel. So, this is a good bracelet, guys, if you're looking for something na makakapag-describe kung sino ka at makakapag-preserve ng memory mo all throughout your years, no? So, this is a good bracelet kasi it will signify who you are and your memories throughout your years. Yan lang, just like to have a special mention on this bracelet kasi I love it, sobra. Until I die, I will have this bracelet and then ipapamana ko on this little girl right here. So, yun lang. Kung saan ko siya binili, I will put it in the description box. Yung mga prices, hindi ko na ilagay ha, guys. But, I will put the links kung saan ko siya binili. Yung katulad nitong customized na pendant na to. And then, yan. Lahat yan. Pero meron pa ditong butterfly that I bought from Pandora as well. And this one, yung passport Pandora din. And the chain is also from Pandora. But other than that, yung iba customized na yun, I bought in different stores. So, guys, that's it for my March favorite. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also, hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, feel free to join my family and hit that red button down there. And, if you want to follow me in my Facebook, Instagram account, I will link that in the description box as well. So, you can follow me around and be part of my friend list. Sa lahat ng products na sinabi ko, guys, if you have comments about them, do not forget to comment para other people or other watchers of this video can read it para, meron din silang impact or meron din silang feedback from other side or other people kasi it really helps them a lot. And yun lang, basically that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy my March favorite. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and a happy day too. Bye! See you guys soon. Bye! Say bye! Bye!